The warm African sun rose over the vast savanna, painting the sky in brilliant shades of orange and gold. Birds sang cheerful melodies as herds of animals began their day. But something unusual was happening in the animal kingdom that morning. A mysterious message had been spread across the land by the king's messengers. King Kumba seeks a new advisor. The chosen one must be brave, clever, and kind. To earn this honor, you must pass the lion's secret trial. Beware, the path is full of challenges, and only the worthy will succeed. This announcement sent whispers of excitement and curiosity through the animal kingdom. Who would dare to face the lion's secret trial? Nia, the mongoose, stretched on her favorite rock. She was small but quick, with a sharp mind that loved solving puzzles. Tiko, the meerkat, popped out of his burrow nearby. Always playful, Tiko had a knack for finding fun in every situation. Zara, the shy zebra, grazed quietly by the waterhole, her stripes blending into the tall grass. She was gentle and kind, though she often doubted herself. When they heard the king's announcement, the three friends gathered under a shady acacia tree to discuss. "Do you think we should try?" asked Nia, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "I don't know," said Zara nervously. "What if we fail?" "Fail? What's that?" joked Tiko, spinning around in circles. "It sounds like an adventure. Let's do it." After much debate, they decided to enter the trial together. They promised to stick by each other, no matter what. The friends arrived at the king's den, where other animals had gathered. Leopards, elephants, and even a cunning hyena stood ready for the trial. King Kumba emerged, his golden mane glowing in the sunlight. "To begin," he roared, "find the path to the whispering rocks. Only those who listen carefully will discover the way." The animals rushed off, each determined to win. Nia, Tiko, and Zara stayed back, observing their surroundings. "Listen carefully," repeated Nia. She closed her eyes and heard a faint hum in the air. "This way," she exclaimed, leading her friends. They followed the sound to a cluster of strange rocks. The rocks seemed to murmur secrets in the wind. The challenge was clear. Solve the riddle to move forward. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, rivers but no water. What am I? Whispered the rocks. "A map!" Nia shouted. The rocks glowed, revealing a hidden path. Their clever thinking paid off, but the trial had just begun. The path led them to a wide, raging river. The water was so loud it drowned out all other sounds. A wooden bridge stretched across, but it looked weak and broken. "How do we cross?" Zara asked, her voice shaking. A clue was carved into a nearby tree. "To cross safely, trust the rhythm of the river." "What does that mean?" wondered Tiko, scratching his head. Nia observed the water's flow. "Look, the river slows down every few seconds. If we time our steps, we can cross safely." One by one, they crossed the bridge, stepping only when the river's flow slowed. Zara hesitated, her legs trembling, but her friends cheered her on. With a deep breath, she made it across. Beyond the river was a dark, twisting maze. Tall walls made of thorny bushes loomed above them, blocking the sunlight. A sign at the entrance read, "Find your way through, but beware the false paths." Inside, shadows danced on the walls, creating illusions of scary creatures. Tiko laughed nervously, pretending not to be scared. "Stay close," Nia said, using her sharp eyes to spot the real path. They encountered dead ends and confusing turns, but they worked together, guiding each other. At one point, a shadowy figure appeared, blocking their way. "Turn back!" it boomed. Zara stepped forward, her voice trembling but firm. "We won't turn back. We'll find our way." The shadow disappeared, and the maze opened into a beautiful clearing. The friends realized that courage and teamwork had helped them succeed. In the clearing, King Kumba waited, surrounded by glowing fireflies. "You have done well," he said, his deep voice echoing. "But the final challenge is the hardest. To pass, you must answer this question truthfully. Why do you want to win?" The other animals had their answers ready. The hyena boasted, "To prove I'm the best." The leopard said, "To gain power and control." Nia, Tiko, and Zara looked at each other. Finally, Zara spoke up. "We want to win because we want to help others. The savanna needs a leader who listens and cares." King Kumba smiled. "You have passed the trial. The true advisor is not the strongest or the smartest, but the one with the kindest heart." The three friends returned home as heroes, not because they had won, but because they had grown. They learned that courage, teamwork, and honesty could overcome any challenge. The savanna celebrated their victory with a grand feast, and the story of their adventure was told for generations.